Let's go over the keys. You don't want to lock yourself out. Done that before? Not fun. So we have 3 keys for this RV. This key here is for the ignition and the doors to get in and out, or the cab doors. This little black key here is for this door here to lock it, and a deadbolt lock. And this little silver key here is for all of your outdoor locks that you want to keep all your valuables safe. You give it a half turn and you go around to all the doors outside. So 3 keys: driving and cab doors, lock the regular door here, and the bin doors.